Welcome to our YouTube short on Amazon FBA, a game changer in the world of e-commerce. In this video, we'll provide you with a brief overview of Amazon FBA and how it simplifies the process of selling products online. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur or looking to expand your e-commerce business, this information is for you. Let's get started. 1. What is Amazon FBA? 1. Explain that FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, a service offered by Amazon that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. 2. Highlight that Amazon handles the logistics, including storage, packaging, and shipping, while sellers focus on sourcing and marketing their products. 1. Benefits of Amazon FBA. 1. Discuss the advantages of using Amazon FBA, such as access to Amazon's massive customer base, prime eligibility for products, and trusted customer support. 2. Mention that FBA provides hassle-free order fulfillment, including handling returns and customer service, allowing sellers to focus on growing their business. 1. Inventory management. 1. Explain that Amazon FBA provides sellers with tools and resources for managing their inventory efficiently. 2. Discuss features like automated inventory tracking, real-time inventory alerts, and the ability to scale inventory levels based on demand. 1. Prime eligibility and shipping. 1. Highlight the significance of prime eligibility for products stored and fulfilled by Amazon FBA. 2. Discuss how Prime members benefit from fast and reliable shipping, which can lead to increased sales and customer satisfaction. 1. Multi-channel fulfillment. 1. Explain that Amazon FBA offers multi-channel fulfillment, allowing sellers to fulfill orders from other platforms or their own e-commerce websites using Amazon's logistics capabilities. 2. Discuss the convenience and cost-effectiveness of leveraging Amazon's infrastructure for fulfilling orders beyond the Amazon marketplace. 1. Global selling with FBA. 1. Mention that Amazon FBA enables sellers to reach international customers through its global fulfillment network. 2. Discuss the advantages of expanding into international markets, such as increased sales potential and access to new customer demographics. 1. Pricing and fees. 1. Touch on the pricing structure and fees associated with using Amazon FBA. 2. Explain that sellers pay for storage based on the volume occupied and fulfillment fees for each order processed through FBA. 2. Mention that fees vary based on factors like product size and weight. In this YouTube short, we provided a brief overview of Amazon FBA and how it simplifies the e-commerce journey for entrepreneurs. With FBA, you can leverage Amazon's infrastructure, logistics, and customer reach to streamline your online business. If you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your e-commerce endeavors.